Okay, let's go back to when this couple first met, and it was on a Sunday night mixed netball game in May. That was back in 2015. Olivia filled in for a school friend's netball team who was playing against Matt's team.
I was sitting on the bench scoring and Liv was strutting her stuff on the netball court. I thought to myself, shit, that girl has some serious ghetto booty and the most amazing blue eyes.
Now later that night, Matt sent Liv a friend request on Facebook. In the morning she woke, found that message, replied, and they found out they had a lot in common.
Matt instantly charmed me with his cheeky smile, great sense of humour and carefree nature. It was an unexpected, a surprisingly pleasant experience. Who would have thought that a game of mixed netball on a Sunday night would change my life forever?
Olivia growing up, Matt's been bloody great. He's easy to get along with, extremely helpful, and he doesn't mind comparing gut sizes with me. He's a non-judging breakfast club.
But honestly, Sherwood, you're truly one of a kind. Hardworking, genuine, reliable. I appreciate your words of wisdom and the commitment you have to keeping Melbourne Shuffle alive.
To Matthew, my ginger prince. What I love about you, Matt, is that you're not scared to stray away from the crowd. You tell it like it is and you keep our relationship at the forefront of every decision. While I don't think I'll ever be fully on board with your habit of seasoning the carpet with the leftover flavouring on your fingers after snacking, I'll never get tired of your cuddles before bed, playing rummy cub on the couch, or throwing back a compulsory pre-event Bailey shot with you. While you joke about this being my special day, I thank you for being the star of my show.
No, I don't wear red anymore. No, I don't wear red, not red anymore. No, I don't wear red anymore. No. It's funny how I mix up my.
Are we all surprised? Olivia is great with finances. Growing up, we'd also play this game with our dolls called City Central, where we would dress them up, walk them around in their prams to the different businesses that we had created. Our older sister Eliza owned the cafe. I of course ran the daycare, and Olivia, she owned the bank.
Liv, you're a wonderful woman who deserves a wonderful husband. And I won't stop until I get to the bottom of what's happening. Liv, it's clear to see you are the perfect fit for Maddie. The many mutual interests and tolerance of our shenanigans make it feel like we've known you forever. Liv, you're beautiful, obviously, but getting to know you over the years, I found you to be kind, sincere, and wickedly funny.
Her quick-wittedness instantly sparked my attention, and I've been obsessed with her ever since. For anyone who knows Liv, you know how kind, caring and compassionate she is. She's consistently going out of her way to help people without expecting anything in return. She's one of the kindest people I know, and people tend to like her more than they like me.
I now do declare Matt and Olivia to be husband and wife. Go crazy, Matt.
anymore. No, I